Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back with another backtesting until profitable video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and just fucking jump straight into it. Give me a random year and month from 2017 to 2025. Okay, August 2021. All right, so let's go ahead and hop straight into it. We have I don't know why I'm so fucking bright, but we have 10 a.m. news here on Monday, August 2nd. So unless we have something really obvious, I'm gonna be taking the trade after 10. So let's go ahead and see. All right, what are we doing? Start off on the 4 hour. Okay, actually daily real quick. Okay, so we're delivering off this daily. Do we have a 1 hour? Yeah, so we do have a 1 hour change in state. But does look like we kind of have like a bunch of LRL. Asia took out the London high. It looks like Asia just fucking expanded. I feel like we can probably come down for Asia low. So we already delivered off that. We don't have a 15-minute change in state. Okay. I'll see if like shorts could fucking work here. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so what we do. Alright, so we open up, it says 15. And we have an SMT as well. So we have an SMT 15. Asia took out London high. Okay, but can we get a setup lower? Let's see. Okay, there is our setup. Go ahead and just use midnight opening as my stop loss. Go ahead and check the higher time frame actually. And we have a wickless candle below us too. Okay, and we're in a premium, so we could possibly come down to EQ as well. Let's go ahead and see. We can go fix 2-to-1 RR. Place order market. Okay, let's try it. Okay, perfect fucking delivery lower, flawless. We took out Asia. Currently looks like we have SMT with Asia as well. What do we come into? We're respecting this order block. And we have an unfilled 5. And we're below the opening price. Honestly, we could probably catch a long above too. If we were to get that. Alright, so we get resweep. Wait for 10 a.m. here. Okay, resweep. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and fucking fuck it. We're gonna go ahead and take this. Okay, okay, let's try this. Okay, break even there. Let's see, do we get the setup higher? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start trailing here. That low. It is counter trend, and we are making new PD arrays. Okay, fuck it. Two back-to-back bangers. You get two back-to-back bangers. Let's go on to the next day. Let's go on to the next day. So let's go ahead and see what else we can do here. Okay, so I think we can come up for this maybe. Just a little CRT. Some little CRT action. We're still respecting this daily. We did violate this 4 hour. We are making relative equal lows as well. We do have this unfilled imbalance below us too. All right, if anything, found a long, I'm gonna long from right here. Accumulation. Looks like this shit just accumulated completely. So the only PD array I see here is this fucking order block. Unless we have something else that's refined on here. But let's see. And we might have an SMT with Asia. With London. So we have London high up here. We have this 15-minute as well. Oops. We have more buy side resting above. Relative equal lows. Okay. Okay, yeah. So this looks like shorts could be setting up, to be honest. Let's see. What can we do here? Oh, okay. So we fucking sweep that out. Okay, we come back up. Okay, so we come back up. Okay, what do we do? So we took out London highs. We have an SMT with London highs. We also have actually we have an SMT with this. I didn't even realize that we have an SMT with this high. Let's go ahead and just mark that up. So we have an SMT with that high as well. Okay, let's see what we can do. So we're about to, yeah, so we just tap into the 15. Okay. Did we just take that out? No, we didn't. Okay. Okay. No change in state yet. Okay, there. We have our change in state. We display slower through the midnight opening price. I'm going to see if I could take, we have this breaker too. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. I'll see do it up there for the gap. And what can I target? Can I drag this a little lower for the 2 to 1? Fuck it. So go ahead and take this like that. Market sell. So you could target that unfilled imbalance. Alright, break even there. Okay, bet. Just delivers fucking flawlessly. Let's go. So we're already 3 for 3. That's pretty fucking badass. I know I said I was gonna try to fucking. I know I said I was gonna take trades after 10, but I mean these shits were just really fucking obvious. So I mean, let's go on to the next day. What is this? Wednesday? Oh, we didn't even have fucking news that day. I forgot to check. All right, so Wednesday we have non-farm payroll and ISM at 10. Okay. Accumulation. Okay, violating that. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? All right, so we're delivering off the daily. We don't really have any 4-hour PD arrays, but we do have this 4-hour change in state right here. So something to keep in mind. ES does have a 4-hour, which is good. Let's see. So ES does have a 4-hour. Fortunately, NQ doesn't, but NQ has this unfilled hourly below us. So it could come into here and then possibly higher unless we have like a 15 or something. Okay, yeah, so we do have this old 15 as well that is currently being respected that we retested and tapped into. Okay, 8:30 looks like it came. Well, not say 15. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can do here. It might be a classic sell day though, just because of the way the profile looks. But I'm gonna go ahead and see here. Okay, so what do? We come up 15 sweep into the old 15. 15 sweep into the old 15. We have an SMT with 815 and data. Yeah, and data. So we have an SMT with data highs. Looks like a nice rejection candle. Okay. What can we see? Okay, so okay, so it goes back down. Just straight chopping around. What are we doing? Oh, okay. So this is what we're doing. So sweep out this buy side. So sweep out the buy side here. Respect this 15-minute as well. Oops. So we also respect that. Have we opened any PD arrays? So we have this 5-minute that we delivered from. Okay, I'm gonna wait till 10. I don't like to chop. Yeah, exactly why I should wait till 10. Smart idea, smart idea. So we resweep the high again. 951 macro. We resweep it. Okay, let's see what we do with this. Okay, this 15 minutes is not important, so I'll be surprised if it holds. Alright, so we retap the 15. Looks like we're just ranging for the first 30 minutes. So we're definitely just ranging these first 30 minutes here. What are we doing? So what have we done? What have we done? Liquidity sweep, change in state, 15-minute gets respected. We don't have any. Okay, so we hold the 5-minute again. It's looking like we could just come up. You know, we do have SMT with that. It looks like it's looking like it's holding. So 10 a.m. Okay, it opens lower. And then we have, yeah, so we have 10 a.m. news. What are we doing? So we respect the 15 again. Change in state. Okay, see if we can take this long here. I'm going to go ahead and take this. Protected low. Or it should be. Okay, that's good enough RR. Okay, see if we can take that higher. Oof. Why I feel like we're going to get wicked out. Okay, so that didn't hold. What are we doing? Does it end up being a classic sell day? Okay, I want to see if it ends up being a classic sell day. I want to see what happens. Give me a second. Okay, no. So we had the right idea and the right narrative. Unfortunately, 10 a.m. just fucking kind of chopped our shit up. Let's see. Yeah, so what was the setup that we took? After 10. So after 10. Okay, yeah, so this was the setup that we took. Unfortunately, stop hunted us. If we would have taken this, it would have stop hunted us again. And then, okay, yeah, and then this probably would have just resulted in a break even. I would have gotten break even after here. So, very choppy day, to be honest. So let's go on to the next day. Thursday, August 5th. Let's see, Thursday, August 5th. Do we have any news? 10 a.m. news. Let's see, what are we doing? What's the higher time frame doing? So we're just very choppily just fucking moving up for whatever reason. I don't know why. ES violates its 4 hours, surprisingly. But damn, bro, yeah, we have a fat ass SMT above. Okay, accumulation. We fucking manipulate this. I'm gonna try to. Okay, ideally I would want to only long from right here. This makes the most probable sense. We have relative equal lows. Honestly, we could probably see if we could shorten these relative equal lows and then look for the long higher. Because we violated this. So I think that's what I'm going to try. Could go for a short followed by a long. Okay, so let's see what we do. Okay, so we come directly into the low. We sweep that out. SMT. We resweep. Violate that. Okay, this looks like it's pretty obvious, to be honest. This looks pretty obvious. Breaker formation and everything. Okay, see if we can take a cheeky little limit. So boom. Get tapped in. Break even there. And let's see if this delivers. Ooh, we're just getting edged. And there we go. We finally hit TP. So we swept this. Okay, yeah, we stuck to our game plan. That was a good trade. Very good trade. Draw was obviously higher. Classic buy day, accumulation. We swept that out, and then we move up. So it was a good call. Longing from this discounted fair value gap. I was going to try from here. I'm not even going to lie to y'all. But yeah, this one's more discounted, so I just felt more comfortable taking that. So that's pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We would have passed the 50K eval. As you can see, we're 53 and 50, we're at 53.5. So we would have passed the prop from challenge. So that's good. So let's go ahead and just move on to Friday here. We have 8:30 news, but no 10 a.m. news. So let's see here. So accumulation. This doesn't seem to be sponsored. Do we have anywhere that we can come into? I want to see what we do come into 10 a.m.s, because right here that'll give us a lot of insight as to what we may or may not want to do. All right, so we have an SMT above as well. So we have an SMT above as well. We're reversing from that high we just took out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep that in mind. So we're gonna go ahead and just put SMT. Cool. So you got that SMT. Do we have a change in state though? Doesn't look like it. We do have these relative equal lows down here. We have a good amount of relative equal lows, to be honest. SMT with this. Markets are heavily uncorrelated though. Do you have a 15-minute? Okay, so this looks very, very choppy. I'm not even gonna lie, but we have a 5-minute change in state. So I want to see what we can do. We come up higher? Do we come into anything? We come into the 15, the previous 15 that we have respected. I want to at least sweep out the 15-minute high. Oh, did not mean to do that. What do we do? What do we come into? What did we come into? Did we come into anything? Does not seem like it, but we did violate this. So looking like it's just gonna consolidate. Let's see. Okay, so we get clear displacement to the downside near the time of the macro. So I'm gonna see if I could try to take this into here. It's a little bit skewed RR, so I'm gonna move it up. See if we could take that. What's up with 10 a.m.? Where's 10 a.m. at? Yeah, the 10 a.m. opens. Okay, so this looks promising. An entry. Cool. No, so drawn liquidity gets taken out, unfortunately. So let's see. Let's go ahead and do like one more day. Okay, so Monday, August 9th, 10 a.m. news. Okay, so this clearly just expanded lower. Is this sponsored? Any of these sponsored? Oh, we have no wick and we're above the opening prices. We have unfilled imbalances. Okay, yeah, I'm going to be interested in some shorts here. Okay, let's see. Is there anywhere that we can short from? Yeah, we have this 4 hour right here. We could possibly short from. I don't want to short from 4 hour change in state as well. So it is looking to look bearish. And let's see. We might have an SMT as well. So I'm going to just mark this. And it is inside of a 15 as well. Let's go ahead and see what we can do. Again, no news. Wait, yeah, no 10 a.m. news. So coming to there. Okay. Fat ass fair value gap, not even gonna lie. Oh, changing state and everything, but I don't like the way this looks. I'm not gonna lie. We do have an SMT above as well. We did tap the 15. We did sweep out that high. I mean, it doesn't hurt to try it. That's what we backtest for. Looks like it's really clear and obvious, even though it is before 10. Okay, drawn liquidity got taken out. Nothing I can do there. See if we can long from down here. I also do have that I'm not liking. Let's see. We get a change in state. Oh, look like relative equal lows. Okay, we're displacing above the midnight opening price. I don't like that setup. Okay, what is it? 10 a.m. So 10 a.m. opens. Okay, this is just a straight up fucking barcode. Didn't break structure. I want to wait till we break some sort of structure or do something. This isn't looking good. We violate the 5. Secondly, it's just gonna barcode here. Okay, so we have a 5-minute that broke structure. Let's see if we can get a move into that. Okay, so we come into the 5. Sweep out that low. Is it holding? Okay, so the 5 is holding. 5-minute broke structure as well. Changing state of delivery, breaker block. But we're just wicking all over the place on the higher time frame, which is something I don't like. Let's see. What are we doing? Okay, good rejection off the New York opening price. Respecting the order block, respecting the breaker. Respecting this order block. All right, we'll go half risk on this. Actually, yeah, never mind. I didn't even like that. So what do we come into? So we came into this 5-minute. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, I'm not liking these conditions. Shit conditions. Okay, what are we doing? Chat? What are we doing here, chat? So daily. Alright, so respect the daily. I'm gonna wait for 10 a.m. here. Would make most sense. Alright, so cool. Let's see what we do. So we violate this, which is good. You know, draw more than likely probably wants to be higher. Okay, Asia sponsored. We deliver off this. Okay, yeah. Clearly, it looks bullish. So if we have a 5-minute or something we can make. Okay, what are we doing? We swept that buy side to what? To nothing. Oh, into this old 15 minutes. So we swept that buy side to that old 15-minute. We're above opinion prices. Let's see what we could do. Okay, it's not looking like we're gonna get a setup here. Just looks like it's very, very chop bound. Okay, so we're displacing lower, it seems. Yeah, we definitely could come into these relative equal lows. Let's see if we can do it. Let's see if we can do it, chat. Okay, so we have this 5. Oh, okay, just straight delivery lower, no entry. Okay, let's come up. Do we come up? Do we come up to something? Okay, yeah, so just no entry. Should just straight up dump lower. Accumulation, manipulated, but unfortunately we just didn't get a fucking entry. What is it? Tuesday? No news. Okay, very obvious buy profile here. Accumulation, manipulation. Okay, yeah, this is very obvious. What do? Retap into that 5. We resweep that low. But can we yeah, get a shade break right there. What do? So we retap the 15. We sweep that. I believe we have SMT2. Gonna wait for 10 a.m. here. This is just consolidating. Sweep that out. Okay. Okay, this will be the change in state. Alright, we still have a change in state, but I want to see the inversion. No. Okay, so we're not getting a setup here. It's just very, very, very choppy. Okay, yeah, so we just didn't get the setup that I wanted to see here, unfortunately. Shit just fucking chopped. Let's go on to New York AM. So it's okay not having to, it's okay with not taking a trade, guys. It's okay if you don't take a trade every single day. So Thursday, let's see, PPI, no other news besides that, and then we have 10 a.m. news tomorrow. So let's see, where are we at? All right, so we're respecting bearish. So right now we're respecting bearish. We violated the daily gap. Okay, we come into this PDO and then we come into here. So it's looking like it's pretty bearish right now. We violated this. I mean, we respected this. My fault. Accumulation. Okay, yeah. Looking like it's a very obvious bearish profile. Looks like a very obvious bearish profile here. Yeah, we're respecting the hourly. Do we have a 15 we can come into? Yeah, so it looks like this could just deliver straight coming into open. But we will go ahead and see. All these wicks. Yeah, so we have all those wicks here. Also have another draw lower as well. So let's see what do we do. Can we open up a? So we tapped into that. 10 a.m. So we have this unfilled 15. Unfilled 15 below both opening prices. We also come into this bullish 15. So honestly, we could probably long into that unfilled one if we do get a decent little setup or reaction. So let's see. Come back into here. So we sweep that. Do we get a change in state anywhere? It's not looking like it. Yeah, so I mean, we get it, but I mean, it's really bad RR. See if we can try along this. We get a retest first. Okay, so it's looking like the day is going to switch back to bullish. Okay, let's see. Let's make a 5-minute. Do we make a 5-minute? Okay, so it's looking like, yeah, looks like we just want to move up higher. We resweep that high. Really nothing to enter off of here. Yeah, so no trade day again. That was literally no trade day again. Friday, August 13th. Let's try it again. Okay, yeah, this is clearly bullish. Very obviously bullish. Gonna be looking to take out this. Okay. We come into discounted liquidity sweep under midnight opening. SMT with with London. We get a very good setup here with displacement. Okay, which we do. See if we can take this higher. Damn, dog shit RR. Alright, let's go for this. Off midnight opening. It's before 10 a.m., but fucking near the macro. Let's do this now. Let's do this. Fix 2 to 1. Let's move that up there. Can we get an entry? Can we get an entry? Let's see. Okay, so we get entered. Inverse. Okay, break even. Let's see, can we move up higher from here? Yes, we can. All right, so there we go. We ended up backtesting 2 weeks worth of data. We made 4.5K, which is very, very good. Let's go ahead and just run through the analytics real quick. Let's see here. So we came out with an 83% win rate. That is really fucking good. That's really fucking good, guys. So let's go ahead and look at the calendar. So we won 2 trades Monday. We won 1 trade Tuesday. We lost Wednesday. We won Thursday. No trade Friday. Monday no trade. Tuesday no trade. Wednesday no trade. Thursday no trade. And then Friday we came out with another banger. So that was honestly really good. 2 weeks worth of data. Let's see. 2 weeks worth of data. 6 total trades. 83% win rate. I'm very, 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 very happy and content with that. So that's going to go ahead and just wrap up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys learned something from it. Again, I'm still currently working my way to becoming a full-time profitable trader. So again, I'm making these videos to hold myself accountable, get that screen time in, and I mean, ultimately, start shitting money from this. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more day trading videos or more trading content. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. You guys all have a blessed, great night.